Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Property Expert Academy. So last time we discussed about this property, I did promise that when we do further on this property, the lot, I will explain you what we have done. So far, of course, there is a lot of negotiation has been done with the current tenants, and also there is a increment in the rent. So you see here there was two. One was the shop, if you remember, on a ground floor, which has a 5-year lease, is coming to an end. So we'll also soon update you what happens with that. And also there was a flat above. So this is the rent for the flat, £625 a month. This is when initially we acquired this property. Now, would you like to guess what it is now? Anyone? Maybe 10% increase, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70, 80, 90, 100%. Come on, say something, right? Okay, I'll say that. So this is now going to so new rent agreed is 1300, which is more than 100%. So see, this was 625 gone to 1300. Of course, we had to do a little bit of work inside to improve our property a bit, but it was a very large 3-bedroom flat, nearly like 950 plus square feet. So of course, we'll tell you what we are going to do next, and we'll keep updating you here. So now you see this is one section now. So if you notice this here, there was the rental income at the time of the acquisition was 16,300. We have already managed to increase this to 1,300, which is now annually, if we look at it, like is about 16,000 plus, and of course 8,000 here, so 24. So we have already managed to got more than 50% just now. We'll of course update you next when the new thing is coming up. There's a lot more actually planned and now will happen, because the lease which was here in November 16 is going to come to an end in next couple of months only. So we will see what happens and then what creatively we are going to do with that. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe, hit a notification bell. So as soon as our next video is ready, you will be notified, and you can watch what we did next. Also, if you have purchased any property recently in auction or by private treaty or anywhere, please put your information about the property or the return that you made in the comment section below. Or if you need any help in terms of how to acquire properties in auction, outside auction, or even through a private entity, to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help. So look forward to seeing you then. Meantime, invest in property, invest with knowledge.